We started Teho because we saw an opportunity in the market for someone to do something a little bit differently. We lead with a service-first mindset, and we believe that once the system's installed, the relationship is not over, it's just begun. Teho is a renewable energy company. We install mainly solar and battery systems for residential and commercial properties. We also partner with our sister company, vpp.com.au, where we own, operate a virtual power plant.
Here at Teho, we're on a mission to help Australians save time and money as they make the switch to renewable energy. And then eventually, we want to be Australia's largest renewable energy company. There's a few big challenges that we think consumers face when they're looking at solar and battery. Some of the big ones that we like to tackle are consumer literacy and education, which we cover off a lot with our online education.
Yeah, and that obviously leads into a lack of confidence and a lack of trust. If they don't understand it, then it's hard to do it.
When we looked at how to tackle these challenges that consumers face, the first thing we wanted to do was create lots of educational content to help them build some understanding. Then when we talk to them on the phone, we take a very consultative approach so they understand what's going on. And then when it comes to install, we only deal with the absolute very best installers who we treat like they're our own employees. And through that process, I think we build a lot of trust, and then people come out the other side really happy.
We choose to work with AlphaESS because of their awesome products. They use the world's safest cell chemistry, they're super reliable, they've got plenty of different options for different customers and different sites, and their monitoring portal is absolutely fantastic.
When you couple all of that with their incredible service that's really grown as they have, the technology that they've really opened up to give us the capability that we need to operate things like our VPP, and then the capability when it comes to installation so much easier, it's a no-brainer, and they've really exceeded what we originally expected. There's lots of reasons that I think have really helped the partnership between Teho and Alpha be so successful. The incredible open lines of communications we've had from the start. The business synergies are vast. We pretty much have exactly the same goals. And we also have a very similar vision for the grid in Australia. We both really believe in VPPs, and with Alpha's new technology and our installation capabilities, it's been a great relationship.
Alpha is a manufacturer of affordable home batteries. We're a global brand with offices in the UK, US, Germany, Italy, Australia, China, Singapore. We make a really wide range of product, particularly for the residential market. Alpha manufacture batteries and supply them to homes and businesses across the globe. We do this through a network of trusted partnerships like Teho. Alpha's been successful for a number of reasons. The first is affordability. We make really good products but at appropriate prices so you can get a payback period that is worth investing in. We also have a lot of control over the components and the manufacturing, where other companies might just put batteries, put inverters, put in a cabinet and offer it for sale. We actually have that depth of control. The other thing is we've got a really good and broad network of partners and distribution, and a really broad product range, particularly in the household area, which means we're not giving you a one battery fits all. We actually have offerings to suit everybody. Teho take pains to train their installers and their internal tech support staff, and Alpha's tech support staff, we see that every day. Teho has some of the best installers in the country, so we figure they're doing something right. Teho as a company have a good reputation and a good quality of service, which actually helps to improve and enhance the reputation of Alpha. It's through partners like this with good reputations that Alpha's been able to become one of the biggest suppliers of batteries in the country. So we really value good quality partners like Teho.